Hey everyone, it's your girl Lady Vintage here, and welcome to my collection list. So this is day 9, and we're going to be doing my backpack collection. So I've got one designer backpack, and I've got two normal backpacks. But this one is really special because you can see I called it a backpack, but you can clearly see this is not a backpack at the moment. This is a convertible backpack. So during Collectionmas, I will be posting every single day between now and Christmas Eve a different subset of my handbag collection. And shout out to Meredith from Living Lux with Meredith, who pioneered this trend. And you guys know I'm not big on Christmas decoration, so I've got my Christmas Yoshi here, and he's got his Christmas bauble. So starting with this non-backpack backpack. So what you can see here is actually a tote bag with the crossbody strap. And what I love about this, it's a convertible handbag. So this is actually one that I got from TEMU for about 12 Australian dollars. So it's just a nylon bag. Now it did not have a zip. I added my own zip because I wanted a zippered closure. But you open the tote, pull out the lining, and you can see the zipper of the backpack. There's two zipper heads sticking out there. If you unzip that, flip the bag inside out, you can take off the crossbody strap. I'm just going to shove it in there. And now what you have is a backpack. And additionally, so that's the front pocket there. Additionally, if you want to pack this up when it's not in use, open the front pocket, fold the bag into the front pocket, straps and all. Now you can zip the front pocket up. And now you just have a little packed away, foldable, convertible backpack / tote. If you want to get it back out, unzip the front pocket, let the backpack get out, close the front pocket back up. Now your backpack is ready to go. If you want to change it back into a tote, just unzip the backpack, flip it inside out, zip it back up. But I like to just leave that zipper pull hanging out. Push the lining into the tote. And now you have a tote bag. And as I said, I added this zipper on myself. It did not come with a zipper. So now I'm going to zip it up. And now I have a tote bag. It also did not come with these rings for the crossbody strap. These are just picture frame hooks that I got from the hardware store, and I just sewed them on. So now I have a crossbody bag. So this is actually my alternative to the very viral Uniqlo nylon crossbody bag. So this is my alternative to that. And I actually got my sister one as a stocking stuffer for her Christmas present as well, because she's going to be going traveling. So this is just an additional extra bag. Maybe they have extra things they need to carry back, or they might be going out and doing some shopping, need an extra bag to put their things in. So this is just a spare bag for my sister to use on her upcoming trip to Japan. And another upgrade that I put on hers was extra padding on her shoulder straps. So I did 3 upgrades. Added the zipper, added the picture frame hooks as rings for the crossbody bag, and added shoulder pads for comfort. Next up is this really vintage beat up night bag. So this was actually my partner's old work bag, and then in the last year or 2 it became my work bag, and then I just switched out of this into this backpack. So that is now my current work bag. This is super vintage Nike bag. But I tell you, Nike backpacks are good quality. This has lasted like nearly 20 years. So if you're looking for a good quality, inexpensive backpack, check out Nike. So this is my vintage Louis Vuitton Epi backpack. And this is a bag that I got for Christmas 2023. At the time, there was a 20% off coupon code for Japanese resellers. So I got it for about 600 Australian dollars. I'd been looking at buying this bag for many years already, but I kept putting it off because a backpack is not on the top of my priority list. So this bag is from 2001. It has a beautiful microfiber interior with one pocket here, and the inside has not degraded. And it also has a back pocket here. Again, the inside has not degraded. It has a double zip configuration. Now, it originally came with a padlock so you could lock up your bag, but I don't have the padlock to come with it. It has a metal ring so you can hang your bag. And one major con about this bag I want to point out is the straps are actually attached to the front of the bag on the top. So that means if you want to zip and unzip your bag, you have to physically move the straps out of the way to zip and unzip. Now that is good for security, but that is really annoying for convenience. So if that is too fussy for you, be aware of that one con if you are looking at this bag. So you guys haven't already seen my earlier collection mess videos, I'm going to link them down below and I'll see you in the next one.